You all are winner for me.
So yaar, bro, hats off to you.
But with the end results, it was more than satisfactory.
You are true warriors and my first man. So this writing competition is finally over and we got 13 talented participants. For me, they all are winner. But as it is a competition, we have to make choices. So I will talk about the winners, but in the end of the video. So watch it till the end. When I came up with the idea, many made fun of me. They thought that Paddy has gone crazy because of this lockdown and all. Many even said it is pointless and stupid how these young kids could write poetry and all. They can't even write their answers properly. Well, they might be right, but most of them might not aware of the fact that I have spent half of my life with the children of all ages. And believe me, I haven't wasted my time. I have learned and observed a lot about them. Well, it's not important right now, so let's just cut it out. But yeah, I want to thank everyone who came as a positive light, who supported my ideas, my friends who weren't sure about all this, but they stand along my side, and some even work with me to encourage kids like Rahul, Naz and few others. Let's hear what they have to say.
Hi friends, my name is Rahul and अभी मेरे को बात हुई मेरी पैडी से एंड ही आस्क्ड मी अबाउट द कंपटीशन कि व्हाट वाज माय थॉट एट द टाइम ही थॉट अबाउट सी सिंपल जब भी कभी पैडी अपना कोई भी एक कहते हैं ना कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आता है या किसी भी चीज़ को सोचता है करने के लिए, मैंने कभी उस चीज़ के लिए डाउट नहीं किया ना इंस्पायर्ड पे दिया. हाँ, टाइम नहीं होता था, नहीं कर पाता था, बट द वे ही केम अप विद द माइंड की कंपटीशन करवाते हैं यार एंड इसमें ये कैटेगरी रखेंगे, बच्चों को रखा जाएगा, इनको दिया जाएगा. सो आई वाज प्रिटी कंफ्यूज कि यार बच्चे कितने आएंगे एंड क्या बच्चों के अंदर इतना मतलब कहते हैं ना कि या क्या उनकी कैसी थॉट होगी, क्या वो इतना कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज द एज ग्रुप ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम 6 to 16 इट्स लाइक मतलब सोच नहीं सकता था कि मतलब कुछ 5 साल के या 6 साल के बच्चे ऐसा कुछ सोच सकते हैं. सो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि ठीक है तू कर, आई एम विद यू. तो वो सोच के मैंने वो चीज़ ट्राई किया एंड लाइक कह सकते हैं कि जो बचा वो तो आपको जो दिखा है वो चीज़ तो आपकी हिस्ट्री में आ ही चुका है कि यार कि क्या था वो एक्चुअली क्या था. हाँ, उसी के साथ साथ सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी उसका ये था कि मेरे से उसने पूछा कि व्हाट वाज माय थॉट लाइक आफ्टर लाइक कंप्लीटिंग दिस कंपटीशन. तो यार ब्रो हैट्स ऑफ टू यू. 2 एंट्रीज आर लेस, मान सकता हूँ कि एंट्रीज कम थी, बट जो एंट्रीज में बच्चे आए हैं, जो एज ग्रुप था, जो उनका कहते हैं ना कि कंटेंट जो वो लेके आए हैं, जो उनका क्वालिटी ऑफ उनकी राइटिंग बोल सकते हैं, चाहे वो मानसी हो, चाहे वो अयान हो, चाहे आपका दर्श हो या फिर और जो जितने बच्चे थे, सबके लिए एक अलग ही लेवल में बोलूँगा. आई कैन कंपेयर मानसी विद अयान और अयान विद समवन एल्स जो 17 ईयर्स के बच्चे हैं. सबकी कैटेगरी अगर देखी जाए तो हाँ, सबका थॉट उनके एज ग्रुप के अकॉर्डिंगली बहुत ही डिफरेंट था, लेकिन बहुत ही कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज था. और इससे पता चलता है कि बच्चों की जो कहते हैं ना कि जो सोच है, सोच का दायरा है वो कहाँ तक है, जो हम सोच भी नहीं सकते वो शायद बच्चे सोच लेते हैं. तो वो सब चीज़ें हैं. हाँ, इसमें मैं एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहूँगा, पैडी को मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि नेक्स्ट टाइम से अगर ऐसे कोई कंपटीशन हम लोग रखते हैं या फिर तुम करवाना चाहते हो तो उसमें ये चीज़ ऐड ज़रूर रखना कि यू शुड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द एज ग्रुप. बेसिकली यू कैन नॉट कम्पीट 6-year-old विद 16-year-old. थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए इनजस्टिस रहेगा, मतलब मैं अगर सोचूँ उस पॉइंट पे. यू कैन बी लाइक 6 से 11 साल के बीच में ओके फाइन, बट फ्रॉम 12 to 16 वो उनका अलग रहेगा एंड 6 to 11 वो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. दिस इज़ माई थॉट. दिस इज़ माई थॉट. एंड एल्स नथिंग लाइक, कुछ ऐसा बेकार नहीं था, बहुत बढ़िया था, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे देख के. रिजल्ट्स आर वेरी गुड, रिजल्ट्स आर लाइक मेरी तरफ से रिजल्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा, तो से प्लस पॉइंट दूंगा. तो वो चीज़ ठीक है. लेट्स वी लुक इन फ्यूचर कि तू और क्या क्या चीज़ लेके आता है ना. ऑल द बेस्ट बडी. ऐसे ही करते रहे और बच्चों को इन्वॉल्व कर. इफ़ यू नीड एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम मी, आई एम देयर विद यू.
The idea of poetry competition for kids was very good. Paddy came up with this idea because he had this thought in mind that nowadays kids are only busy with mobile games, laptop games, or any other thing or digital platform. So this is not so good for them. If they engage in such activities throughout the day, it is harmful. So it was important to do something interesting for kids. So that is the reason Paddy came up with this idea of poetry competition. It was really a nice idea. Now the reason behind this idea was to nurture kids, to improve their thought process, because that is the stage for them to grow. So it was really interesting. Now initially it was not so easy because you need to do a lot of promotion to encourage kids to take active participation, to convince their parents to encourage them, and also to back themselves. That there is nothing like a bad or good, it's just what they think. So it was nice. Now, no one would have thought initially that it will work pretty well, but with the end results, it was more than satisfactory. It was amazing to see that kids took active participation. They wrote their thoughts in words that was pretty well. Some titles I saw were really amazing. One of them was Majboor Mazdoor. It was like just amazing to see that kids can think like that. We can't deny that parents help them out, but still it would have encouraged them a lot to do better. And I hope that Paddy will be coming soon with another competition like this.
Some of my friends were way too shy to face the camera, so they sent their feedback by text messages. And how can I forget to thank the most important angels who made it possible, the participants. You all are winner for me. You won this competition on the very moment when you made your entry, because you showed the courage to express yourself and your ideas. Your thoughts, your ideas, your feelings, all are very precious, which you portray on the canvas with your words. You are a true warrior and my first man. There were errors, but that's how we learn, and I can assure you, you all have very bright future. So to thank you properly, I will put the light on the all entries we got. Links are in description so that you can read the full piece. So first entry was from Mayank Singh, age 13, from Delhi, in which he wrote a positive message for the world in this pandemic, where he used a quote from Srimad Bhagavad Gita to spread or encourage optimistic mindset. Entry number 2 was from Nirbhay Jain, age 9, from Faridabad, where he wrote a small poetry for all the corona warriors and asked everyone to help each other. Entry number 3, Purva Singh, age 15, from Delhi, where she wrote a poetry, I'm the girl, trying to express her feeling being a girl. Entry number 4, an amazing poetry by Lakshya Raj Singh from Delhi, My Thoughts, which most of writers can relate it. Entry number 5, our youngest poet Syed Ayan Ali, age 7, from Delhi, where he wrote Corona Se Jung, which surprised and touched every reader. Entry number 6, Mansi Singh, age 16, from Delhi, where she wrote Majboor Mazdoor, one of the beautiful piece stating the deep truth about labor in this pandemic. Entry number 7, a beautiful positive poetry by Abdur Rahman Akil, age 11, from West Bengal. Entry number 8, another optimistic poetry, Muskurayega Bharat, by Nazia, age 16, Delhi. Entry number 9, by another very young and talented Darsh Gupta, age 8, Delhi, with his poetry Corona Sankat Aur Bachav. Entry number 10, Harsh Singh, age 13, and his beautiful thought for mother and encouraging respect for women. Entry number 11, a beautiful poetry Badhao Haath by Ankita Farswan, age 16. Entry number 12, another beautiful poetry spreading positivity, Fir Muskurayega Bharat by Akriti Mishra, age 16. Entry number 13, this made our platform truly international when Amli Nazrano Ube from Philippines joined our competition with a beautiful write-up, Unpredictable Catastrophe, explaining the depth and reality of this pandemic. So these were all the participants. Now let's put some spotlight on the winners. Number 1, Mansi Singh. Number 2, Armili Nazrano Ube. Number 3, Sayyid Ayan Ali. There is a tie at number 1 between Mansi Singh and Sayyid Ayan Ali. Number 2, Abdur Rahman Akil. Number 3, Nirbhay Jain. And special appreciation for Mayank Singh and Harsh Singh for their beautiful write-ups in the long form. Thanks for watching the video. And if you want to support my cause, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Achievers Point, if you want to take part in more such competition in future.